Okay, hello traders and welcome to our live trading session. It's Stu Napan here, founder of Master the Markets Elite Traders Conference and the Traders Open Day. So today we're going to be looking at trading with the MT4 platform, and it's going to be on trends. So let's take a look. Let's go live on the charts. Let me just do that. And just before I go there, just a very quick reminder for those of you who've got any questions at all from today's video or from your strategies, you're more than happy to book a one-to-one session with us where you can take your trader personality test, gain a free video course that is suited to your trading personality, and also you'll be able to trade live with us and learn strategies that just take 15 minutes per day. Okay, so that's the button to click on. And also don't forget, just remember to subscribe to our video channel as well so that you get notifications when we put our videos up, which is all with one intention: to serve you and to spread the truth of trading. Okay, right. So let's go on to the charts for today, traders. So as you can see over here on the intraday charts over here, so the first thing what I want to tell you in terms of trend is that, see, before you can define a trend on a quantified, systematic, reproducible manner, you must have your tops and bottoms quantified, or else, you see, without that, how can you say that something is higher, this high is higher than that high? You can only do that discretionary. But if you have it quantified, then it's sustainable, scalable, and reproducible. So that's what we have done here at Master the Markets, because we've been trained by the institutional quants. Over here, I can easily tell you that this is an uptrend, as you can see, because you see, this is my reference high, and that this high is currently higher than my reference high. Okay, and this is my reference low. You must always have a reference low, as we always tell our members and students through our elite coaching as well, because without the reference, how can you say something is higher or lower? You can't, right? And you can see that this one is a higher low in reference to that. Okay, so that's what you got. You got a higher high and you got a higher low. Now, therefore, that's an uptrend. Now, one more thing. In an uptrend, you got two phases, right? So you got this phase over here, and then you got the one which is in line with the trend. So the one in line with the trend is what we call phase one. What I want to tell you today and make you aware is about correlating two time frames and putting them all in line with phase one. There's 16 correlations altogether, momentum correlations between two time frames, which most traders do not know. Today, we're only just going to cover only one. Okay. Now, you see, so here, what you have at the moment in terms of cable is a uptrend phase one. Okay, because you see, because tops and bottoms are quantified, I can just connect them just with a straight line, and you can see that this is my phase one over here. Okay, so that's to do with that. So that's the uptrend phase one. Over here, however, on the shorter time frame over here on the 1 hour, right, correlating that, you can see that at this point here, it was a downtrend, and it came up back up here, and that was an uptrend, but this is a phase two. At this point, when it confirmed here, and today, that was a phase 1 point. Okay, right. But after that, so until this point, you can look to take trades. But you see, what happened is right now, that is a downtrend, you see, and that's a downtrend phase one. So as of now, there is no correlation. So keep correlating and seeing, and then putting your strategy rules together. Now, in terms of dollar Swiss, on the other hand, you can see this is a downtrend, pretty simple, lower lows, lower highs, and this is a phase one as well. Now, let's see on the lower time frame. However, over here, if you look, this is a uptrend phase one over here that we are having. You see, we took out this high, reference high, higher than that at the moment is what we call a variation one breakout. And then after that, this is still phase one at the moment. Okay, right. Next, we got euro dollar uptrend phase one again, traders, right? But then, however, you see, let's take a look at the 1 hour. However, you see in here is a downtrend phase one over here. So not correlating. Dollar yen, on the other hand, you can see over here that you got uptrend here, phase 1, but here is a phase 2 at the moment. It's an uptrend, but it's a phase 2. Do we have a correlation? Let's check. Over here, however, we've got uptrend phase 1, okay? Uptrend phase 1. So it's not really correlating. It might be a turning point, but we're not looking at that today, just only looking at phase 1s only. Euro yen, on the other hand, you can see over here on the 1 hour, that is a downtrend, phase 1. However, on the daily, as you can see over here, let me just put the daily up, show why it's not coming up. Never mind. Let me check over here if we can get that up, but not on the euro yen. Also, we can always look at another currency pair. Let me just take a look. So now we go. So let's see. So we got the 1 hour, so downtrend phase 1. And then if I go on to the daily, it's a uptrend phase 1. So no correlation as well. Okay. So that's a simple way of looking at it, but that's just one parameter that you can look at. But then after that, you can combine. A simple one that I will give you all as a homework for you all to reflect on. Some rules that you can look at. Look at maybe phase 1's correlating on 2 time frames. That's one. The second one, what you can then do is also look at your stretch line, which is what we've covered in our previous live trading sessions. The stretch lines being taken out. And then finally, you can then look at whether it's a bottom to top or a top to bottom move. Both of them must correlate. Okay, so these are the 3 rules that you can look at. And once you have all of them ticking off, you can look to take a trade. And that is what I will let you all reflect on. And as I said, if you all have any questions on that at all, you can always book a coaching session. We can go through that with you, where we will take your trader personality test to find out what trader type you are, and then also give you a free video course according to your personality. And then also we will be trading live with you as well. Okay, go ahead and book that one-to-one session on the link below over here. All right, so that's all from me for now on this video. And also another thing, also don't just remember to also subscribe to our video channel so that you get notifications whenever trading videos go up. All right, so that's all from me for now. And as we always say, until the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.